Hey, how's it going? It's Jimmy here. I'm with Eric in his shop in Long Beach, California at Casa Customs. Buy the hoodie on the website. I got mine free, I'm just saying, whatever. So I stole it. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually show you how to install our new Casa Customs 600 handlebar adapter, the skinny, on this VLX 600 right now. And Eric's going to go through the process of well, showing you this fancy doohickey.
I don't know. I'm going to go through something.
Here, you might need this.
Thank you. And I want to thank Neil, the Credo on Instagram, for letting us use this beautiful bike. I shouldn't say that because I built it, and I hate when people are like, "Oh, my beautiful custom I just finished." Like, I like it, but they know who they are. Now, fairness, we did already loosen these bolts.
It's a beautiful bike, Eric.
So you'd start by removing, in this case he has riserless handlebars, but if you may have risers, so take these off. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. This other one here, and then we're free. Take this bolt out. Okie dokie. And the reason we're using our skinny handlebar adapter is Neil wants to keep his lights here. So with this on there, you can keep the lights. Let me get that on straight, so that would be nice. But you can see. He has these. There's one for you, Jimmy. Thanks. There you go. Thanks. Which you don't need these. And these cover the holes completely, so it looks nice. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to take these rabbit ears, 3.5 center spacing, and fit them to, the powder coating is a little thick on here, but are we going to complain about thick powder coating? No, you're not. So now we're just going to put these here, line them up, get them thread started. Again, I know I'm going to sound like a broken record, always use Loctite. Thread lock, please. Okay. Look at that, nice and snug. See that? That'll twist your hand. So now look. Now we're ready. So these bolts are provided in the kit. They come with the kit and stuff. Yes. So we take them, and I will show you this. Why I like using these is most of your risers will still have these isolators, the rubber isolators that help with vibration, but they also can give a little flex. A lot of people I find don't like them. You can get rid of them, but if you don't, all you have to do, and they'll come with the kit, is that goes right over it. And now what that allows is that surface to surface contact, and it'll get rid of that flex. So that's what that is. So we set that on there. Now we just take our skinny 600 handlebar adapter, we line it up like that, and just screw it in. It's really that easy. I mean, it's that easy. It looks pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Now I don't have this on, but I'm just putting so you guys can get the idea. And voila. Of course you'd want to tighten that down, but now you can see, now he has these narrow rabbits on his shadow, 600. Again, we offer them in chrome, in black, and satin, and natural finish. And you can see that he can still use his lights, and on a lot of my bikes, I put the start button right here, so he can still use his start button, and so you can see the lights. That's how easy it is to put this on for real. Like if you have risers on there, all you do is pull the risers off, put your handlebar on to the adapter first, lock tight, snug it down, and then all you're doing is lining it up and putting it in there. And then your controls. Keep in mind if you change the bars, you might have to change the cables or something depending on how high you go. So keep that in mind. Hopefully soon we might have cables. Hopefully would be great. But for now, we don't. Neil's bike, we don't have to worry about it. He has some extra length cables. So if he were to run this, obviously I think he'd probably want to run black, but it wouldn't be a problem.
And if we do want to delete these?
If you want to delete those, you can use dun, 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 the fat, and that covers those lights. So it's the same principle, it just covers this. So that's the difference.
That's kind of genius.
Listen, I watch a lot of TV, and yeah, I watch a lot of TV. So, no, I think they're really nice, and I hope you guys like them. And I appreciate all the support. Many, many years I've been doing this. Bye. See you later. See you guys. See you later. Kevin says bye. See you guys. See you guys. All right, man. Just be cool, man. You know, stay cool, bros. All right. See you. Ministry?
Oh yeah, no, zero interest.
I don't even know why we're friends anymore.
I'm so happy it was recording now.
I don't know why we're friends. Ready?
Deftones.
Okay. I mean, hold on. I mean, you have a day for yourself and you need to, here we go, ready? I know you have to get this. You know, I know you have it already, but you're just not cooperating. Who is it? Come on.
I know who this is.
Oh my goodness.
No, I do.
Oh, okay.
Shit, you fucked it up. Who was it?
System.
Oh, I don't like system. Fuck them.
I know. How about this?